Johnny Depp trial, live, Amber Heard defense to continue as case enters final week. Amber Heard's defense case continues in the defamation trial brought against her by ex-husband Johnny Depp. Heard is being sued by Depp for $50 million for implying he abused her in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed. Although she didn't name him, he claims her allegations impacted his ability to work. She is pursuing a counterclaim for $100 million. Testimony has been given by several of Heard's former friends as well as her sister, acting coach, and makeup artist. They all testified either seeing her injuries or alleged altercations with Depp. On Thursday, Depp's longtime friend spoke of a jealous streak in the actor, while his former agent said he romanticized drugs and constantly showed up late to sets impacting the actor's ex-business manager described his increasingly dire financial situation and erratic behavior relating to drugs and alcohol. Actor and Depp ex Ellen Barkin recalled him drinking all the time and once throwing a wine bottle across a room during an argument. What if anything? Law and Crime breaks down the oft-used phrase by Amber Heard's lawyer Elaine Breedhoft when questioning witnesses, what if anything? What do we know about the jury and jury instructions? After closing arguments, of the 9 jurors who have heard the case, 2 will be designated as alternates for Judge Peña's Carte to have on standby in case any of the other 7 has to drop out. Court TV reports that the current makeup of the jury appears to be 6 men, 4 Asian and 2 white, and 3 women, 1 Asian, 1 black, and 1 white. In a win for Amber Heard's team, Judge Oz Carte ruled that the 3 statements made by Adam Waldman, Johnny Depp's attorney from the UK trial, the basis of her counterclaim for defamation against Depp, will be considered as the actor Depp lawyer meets the courthouse alpacas. Johnny Depp's lawyer Camille Vasquez, who has found internet fame amongst Depp fans following her cross-examination of Amber Heard, took time to meet the alpacas that have been brought to the courthouse every day in support. Depp said under oath that he wouldn't film another Pirates of the Caribbean movie for $300 million and a million alpacas. What to expect from the Depp v. Heard closing arguments. On Friday, attorneys for both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard met with Judge Peña Carte to agree on jury instructions and closing arguments. This coming Friday, 27th of May, each side will have 2 hours for closing arguments, with Depp's team going first, followed by Heard's team's rebuttal and closing, and then Depp's rebuttal. According to Court TV, Heard's argument only on her counterclaim will then be heard. Benjamin Chu and Camille Vasquez will argue on behalf of Depp, and Elaine Breedhoft and Benjamin Roddenborn will argue on behalf of. What do lawyers think about Camille Vasquez's cross-examination of Amber Heard? Camille Vasquez, one of the attorneys representing Johnny Depp in his defamation lawsuit against Amber Heard, cross-examined Ms. Heard over the course of 2 days on 16 and 7. The moment, which saw Ms. Vasquez seeking to undermine Ms. Heard's credibility and her claims that Mr. Depp sexually assaulted her and was violent against her, has been described as often harsh by Deadline, which noted, Depp's lawyers may have lacked an actual kitchen sink, but they tried to throw one figuratively at Heard today during further cross-examination of the Aquaman actress in the 50. That strategy continued during the redirect, with Depp's lawyers calling out objection on almost every question by Breedhoft, about half of which Judge Peña's Carte sustained. The Independent spoke to 2 attorneys about Vasquez's cross-examination strategy, including its possible advantages and drawbacks. Camille Vasquez, fan pages, video tributes, and romance rumors. Clemens Michalin reports on how Johnny Depp's fandom turned its focus to his lawyer Camille Vasquez after her cross-examination of a new witness confirmed in Depp rebuttal. Court TV reports that Jennifer Howell will testify in Johnny Depp's rebuttal case next week in a pre-recorded deposition video. Ms. Howell was mentioned during the testimony of Amber Heard's sister, Whitney Enriquez. She is the founder of the Art of Elysium, and Ms. Enriquez moved out of the Eastern Columbia building penthouses and in with her in 2015 and referred to her as her chosen sister. There are 2 accounts of why this was. Ms. Enriquez says it was because Depp accused her of leaking stories to the press, but Ms. Howell allegedly has a different story, that it was because Ms. Enriquez was fighting with her. Ms. Howell also allegedly has a very different account of what has become known as the staircase incident at the penthouses as told to her at the time by Ms. Enriquez. Paranoid Depp told psychiatrist of chaotic relationship with her. Johnny Depp's psychiatrist has revealed that the paranoid actor admitted to having a very chaotic relationship with lots of anger towards ex-wife Amber Heard. Testimony from Dr. Alan Blaustein was played in court on Thursday during the former couple's defamation trial, where he spoke about the Pirates actor's issues with drugs, alcohol, rage and jealousy. It was a very chaotic relationship with a lot of fluctuations, ups and downs. Lots of difficulties, emotional expressions, he testified. Mr. Depp told him in their sessions. Lots of anger in both places and high intensity. A lot of love, a lot of disappointment, a lot of fears. He added, part of his goal of therapy was to work through the anger that he and his fiancée had toward each other. Heard insists her 2018 op-ed on domestic violence is not about Johnny apostrophe. Amber Heard has insisted that the 2018 op-ed at the center of the defamation trial with her ex-husband Johnny Depp is not. Ms. Heard said that the article is actually about her and what happened to her after I escaped my marriage. The only one who made it about him ironically is Johnny, she told the court. Heard breaks down saying she filed for divorce from Johnny Depp as she feared she wouldn't survive. Amber Heard sobbed in court as she said she filed for divorce from Johnny Depp because she feared she wouldn't survive if she stayed in the relationship. I knew if I didn't I'd likely not literally survive, she said, choking back tears.